Hi, I'm going to explain the few things that we need in this task from now on. Number one is it is right now hard coded for, like if I'm clicking here, it is populating 2806, but the street name, the check street here, what populating is only for 2801. Okay, it is probably only for, because it is hard coded, we don't know how to bring the value of 2806 inside like universally. So right now what we have to do is, first is whatever zip code is here, that zip code street only should populate here. It should right now it is populating only for 28801. That's the way we design, but still we need to do something which is like whatever populating here, that is the main zip code, and that street should be populating here. That is number one. Now number two, what I'm going to show you here, like if you see here, S French Broad Avenue S, the S is the suffix. So since it is like coming here, we need to increase the width, completely like increase the width of this. To choose the maximum length of the street type, yes, choose the maximum length of the and increase the width. Since this is increasing, we can increase all the others to match. Like all the fees should be increased like a 10 pixel more, I guess, probably. So that is number two. Number three is we need to have click the submit button, and that submit button should send an email to this particular person. If it's me, like I've selected the northern field and submitted. If the street is submitted to that database, then they should have an email sent to them, like successfully sent or something. Okay, so that is one. That is the third one. So I'm going to show the fifth one now. So I'll repeat it from the beginning. So one is zip, whatever zip is in the field, that is the zip we have to refer, and the street in that zip should populate here, auto suggest here. So that is number one. Number two is the length of the fields should be increased, since you see here the width is, we need the width here, it's like going to the double line, so we need to increase the width. That is number two. Now coming to the part 3, hitting the submit button, it will populate the database. That is not a problem, it will populate. But after populating the database, it should send an email to this email ID saying that your street has been successfully added or something like that. So the template will be given by Barry. So that is number 3. So now I'm going to say the number 4. So you're seeing the gender grid here. The width of this particular is like too much. We can reduce the width here, and this pagination is not working. So the pagination, this complete filter and pagination, we need to check here. It's like saying one items. Right? Actually we have 3 items here. It should say 1 to 3 of 3 items right now. But this is working. The width of this should be changed a little bit. So now I'm going to say the last one, which is we need to have a button here, a delete button. A delete button, because if I am going to add a street which is already present, like I'm going to just have a street request which is already present, for example, like this. Okay, I'm going to have this, but checking the database, you see that Evelyn Ali, oh sorry, by some reason I'm a new user requesting a street add a street like this, Evelyn Alley. Now I'm going to go to the street stack, and what I'm seeing is I'm having that street already. So if I'm seeing this street already, what I should do is click the delete button. Clicking the delete button will just delete the new street request. It will not add to the database. It will, the new street request, that thing will be deleted, and an email should be sent to that particular person saying that, okay, your street already exists, please try again, or contact the technical person, like that. The template will also be given here. So that is the format. I will highlight all the points again in the video, in the Act2Collab portal. Thanks.